Alright, so about a month ago, I actually wanted some more material for entomology. I ran out of pins, and so I got a box, and it seems like it just came in. So this is a unboxing of my materials. Oh yes, that was very satisfying. Alright, so we got pinning boards, pins, forceps. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to take everything out of the box real quick. Alright, so this is all the stuff. I've got pinning boards here, big and small. You see, these are for pinning insects. And these, the big one would be more like hawk moths or giant silk moths or large insects. I've also got this adjustable one here. This one's made out of wood though. I also got forceps, a whole bunch of forceps, different forceps for pinning butterflies, for taking dangerous insects that might sting. I've also got insect pins, lots of insect pins. These should last me at least 1.5 or 2 years. And I've also got pinning rack. So now all of my specimens will be leveled, and all the identification will be leveled, and everything's going to be beautiful. Also, I have, so that I can store the pins instead of putting them on the board. On the board, I can just put them there. So yeah, this is all the stuff that I got. It was a total of $200 for this. So it's still pretty expensive, but I think it's worth it. You got lots of stuff, lots of pins and stuff. Anyway, I can't wait to use them, and I will see you next time. This is what it looks like now. I've got the things stacked up. Everything I need is ready for insect pinning. So yeah, bye.